Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 17 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Political Parties Order 2002. In every democratic country, general elections and other types of elections are held periodically as provided in the relevant laws. General elections are conducted in both systems such as presidential form of government and parliamentary form of government. The elections are held on either party basis or non-party basis. Pakistan is a democratic country. It has experienced presidential form of government and parliamentary form of government. 1962 Constitution of Pakistan provided for presidential form of government. Pakistan's Constitution, 1973 provides for parliamentary form of government in the country. In 1970 the general elections were held on party basis. In Pakistan, first election conducted on the basis of one person one vote was held on December 7, 1970. The general elections held 1985 in Pakistan were on non-party basis. According to website of Election Commission of Pakistan, there are 126 political parties enlisted with the Commission. A political party contesting elections is allotted symbol in accordance with the relevant laws. Moreover, independent candidates contesting elections are also allotted symbols in accordance with the relevant laws. The Government of Pakistan issued Political Parties Order 2002. It provides for the establishment of a political party, making of constitution of a political party and functions of a political party. Article 3 of the said order provides for formation of a political party. It says, 1. It shall be lawful for anybody of individuals or association of citizens to form, organize, continue, or set up a political party. 2. A political party shall have a distinct identity of its structures at the national, provincial, and local levels, wherever applicable. 3. Every political party shall have a district name. 4. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, a political party shall not a. propagate any opinion, or act in a manner prejudicial to the fundamental principles enshrined in the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, or b. undermine the sovereignty or integrity of Pakistan, public order or public morality, or indulge in terrorism, or c. promote sectarian, regional, or provincial hatred or animosity, or d. bear a name as a militant group or section, or assign appointment titles to its leaders or office bearers which connote leadership of armed groups, or e. impart any military or paramilitary training to its members or other persons, or f. be formed, organize, set up or convened as a foreign-aided political party. Article 4 of the aforementioned order provides for formulating constitution of a political party. According to it, 1. Every political party, including a political party already in existence, shall formulate its constitution, with whatever name it may be referred, including, inter alia, a. the aims and objectives of the party, b. organizational structure of the party at the federal, provincial and local levels, whichever applicable. C. Criteria of membership of the party. D. Membership fee, to be paid by the members. E. Qualifications and tenure of the party leader and other office bearers of the party. F. Criteria for receipt and collection of funds for the party, and G. Procedure for 1. Election of party leader and other office bearers at the federal, provincial and local levels, wherever applicable. 2. Selection or nomination of party candidates for election to public offices and legislative bodies. 3. Resolution of disputes between members and party, including issues relating to suspension and expulsion of members, and 4. Method and manner of amendments in the constitution of the party. Article 14 of Political Parties Order 2002 provides for eligibility of party to obtain election symbol. It says, 1. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, a political party shall be eligible to obtain an election symbol for contesting elections for Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament, and provincial assemblies on submission of certificates and statement referred to in Articles 12 and 13, provided that a combination of political parties shall be entitled to obtain a common election symbol for such election only if each party constituting such combination submits the certificates and statement referred to in Articles 12 and 13. 2. Where any political party or a combination of political parties, severally or collectively, contravenes the provisions of Article 12 or 13, it shall not be entitled to obtain an election symbol for election to the Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament, or the provincial assemblies, and the Election Commission shall not allocate an election symbol to such party or, as the case may be, the combination of political parties for such election. For further text of the said order, please refer website Election Commission of Pakistan, https://ecp.gov.pk. In pursuance of Article 19 of the Political Parties Order 2002, Political Parties Rules 2002 have been made. The rules provides for political parties to provide printed copy of Constitution, submission of statement of accounts, financial transaction within a party, confiscation of prohibited funds and submission of certificate to the Election Commission regarding intra-party elections, etc. This lecture has been prepared for creating awareness of the Political Parties Order 2002. Attempt has been made to present information as per the relevant legal documents and the website of Election Commission of Pakistan, https://ecp.gov.pk. However, regarding elections and establishment of political party etc., relevant laws must also be referred by readers and viewers. This lecture shall not be quoted for making claim or supporting contention for any purpose.